All right, Mom, I'll come help in a bit. Bye. I'm gonna go downstairs real quick.
This is Sarah. She is my first daughter. She's very strong.
And I'm the weird second daughter. No one likes me, I just cut tofu.
You want to make the grandma egg?
I'm donkey.
All right, Aki, come here.
Too many people.
No, Aki, just come here. I need you to coming over here.
She wants Dad on the video.
Aki, I'm trying to teach you how to make this. Remember, mung dal, split mung beans, all right? So you put that in there.
Can I help?
Of course you can help. Black salt, I'll pick you up. Whoa! Okay, put a teaspoon of that, a black salt. That adds a sort of a sulfury flavor. Just a teaspoon. Okay, we're gonna put it over here.
Whoa, that's quick. I'm gonna go on the table.
Okay, so we're gonna get all of the fiber out of it. Everyone's up here.
Stop, squeeze, squeeze. Ooh, watermelon tea is cool.
Yeah. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna empty this out. All right, hold on here. I think we can squeeze a little bit more. Oh, you're gonna dump all of those out? That's good. Not yet, not yet. Be patient, give it another minute. There we go, we got a lot of egg now. Your daddy made it. Did you learn how to make it?
Can you teach me again?
Yes.